Hello and welcome back, food lovers. Today we're making some seafood chow fun. You may also see this dish on restaurant menus as seafood ho fun because ho fun refers to the wide, flat rice noodles used in this dish. It's a classic old school Cantonese dish, and what's more, it should only take you about 20 minutes to make from start to finish. Are you ready to cook? Okay, let's go. So here's the rice noodles that we're going to use. Go for the widest ones that you can find. You can also get ready cooked noodles from the chiller cabinet of your Asian supermarket. If you're using these, you can skip the next step, which is cooking them. We leave them to cook in boiling water for about 10 minutes or until they go soft. While the noodles are cooking, we can prepare the vegetables. I'm using spring onions and Pak Choi. To prepare, simply wash and cut them into bite-sized pieces. The seafood that we're going to use is frozen ready prepared seafood mixture. You can use it as it is after defrosting, but I put in some diagonal cuts into the squid to make it look more presentable. When the noodles are cooked, drain them and rinse them under cold running water. You'll see that they have become nice and thick when cooked. Add a few drops of sesame oil onto them to stop them sticking together. The flavourings for seafood chow fun is simplicity itself. You just need oyster sauce, light soy sauce and dark soy sauce. Next, heat up some oil in a wok to a high temperature and swirl it around the pan. We firstly cook the vegetables because they take the longest to cook. So add in the spring onions and the Pak Choi and half of the Beansprouts. Then add in the seafood and cook for 5 minutes. Add in the ho fun noodles and the flavourings. Cook on high heat for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes of cooking, add in the remainder of the beansprouts and cook for a further 2 minutes. We add these beansprouts later in the cooking so that they retain their crunch. When it's ready, serve the chow fun on a large serving plate. So that's how you make seafood chow fun. Thanks for watching, everybody. Subscribe if you haven't already done so, and the recipe is in the description. See you next time.